In this video, I'll show you how to fix Valorant not updating or an update that is stuck. If the update won't start, stays at 0%, or gets stuck during installation, these steps can help resolve the issue. First, completely close the Riot Client. Then, launch it again as an administrator. You can do this by right-clicking the Riot Client shortcut and selecting Run as administrator. Once it opens, try updating Valorant again. If the update is still stuck, restart your computer. A simple restart can clear temporary glitches and refresh background services that may be preventing the update from completing. After restarting, open the Riot Client as an administrator and try the update again. You should also check whether there are any server issues. Open your browser and search for Valorant server status. If Riot servers are experiencing problems, updates may be delayed until the issue is resolved. Another useful fix is to repair the game files. Open the Riot Client, click on your profile icon in the top right corner, go to Settings, select Valorant and click Repair. The client will scan for missing or corrupted files and automatically fix them. If none of these methods work, uninstall Valorant and reinstall the latest version. This can resolve deeper issues caused by damaged installation files. That's how you can fix Valorant not updating or an update that's stuck. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.